How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, making a playlist on Spotify doesn't require you to have a premium account. Whether it's a premium or a free account, you can actually go ahead and then create a playlist as long as you do not have any restrictions placed on your account. And to do this, what you want to do is simply open the Spotify app itself. You can use a browser, you can use app, whatever else you prefer. In this case you can use iOS, Android, or whatever else you prefer in this case as well. Once you log into your account, you can see a couple of playlists that I've already created at the top. If you want to create your own playlist, just come to the Your Library section. Once you come to Your Library, tap the plus icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then over there you'll be able to find this option known as playlist. All you have to do is just tap the playlist option. Now what you want to do is you can simply name this or give it a custom name depending upon what you like over here. It doesn't really matter, but once you've done this process, what you want to do is just tap the create option. Once you tap on create, your playlist will get successfully created. Now you can add a profile picture to your playlist. You can add songs to this playlist depending upon whatever you want. In this case, once you add songs or whatever else you prefer over here, your playlist will be created, as you can successfully see here. This way you can basically create or make a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.